come to do collection of some manure from the Ministry of Livestock in Machakos, and for some reason it has just decided to start raining, so the collection will be a bit cumbersome, but hopefully I'll get the dry one. Yeah, so let's go see. So this is where the manure is collected from. All this is cardboard. We take the time after particular days. Once it's dry, we sweep it all the way and give a collection. This is a collection of what was done last week. So this is part of what was there, but I did not want it because it is wet. I wanted to dry one. So before the rain got started, they just swept some, which is fresh for me, and they collected it on my behalf. So the pickup is full. That's my for me to take time to go to the farm. So see you at the farm while offloading.